The screen configuring and control efficiency are key to successful show. Typically, large-scale projects are equipped with complex screen designs and multiple controllers, requiring a lot of configuration time on set. This approach, so common, may lead to inconvenience and accidents due to the complexity of the adjustments and on-site maintenance. Fortunately, WebP software introduced a revolutionary solution, group management. This feature streamlines the process by organizing your screens into 4 levels: project, screen group, screen, and controller. By categorizing them, screen groups, screens, and controllers can be added to one project for centralized management and batch operations, making the entire operation process more efficient. One of the core advantages of this feature is its highly visualized interface. Even a large screen integrated from 2 or more controllers can be achieved convenient and intuitive visual operation. The clear layout ensures that users can quickly familiarize themselves with the system. You can instantly create and delete projects in the project list. Once you have selected a project, you can easily add a new screen. When multiple screens are part of the project, you can drag one to overlap with other to create a screen group. To simplify your workflow further, click the Hide and Show icon at the top right of the list to hide the controllers, displaying only the projects, screen groups, and screens. Additionally, group management supports features such as renaming, screen control, mapping, and built-in controller properties. These design details work together to enhance the overall user experience further. WebP Group Management has all these convenient and visual interaction designs to significantly simplify the operation process, improve user experience, reduce on-site configuration time, and minimize accidents caused by improper configuration to the greatest extent. With screen groups, you can perform crucial tasks such as screen blackout or freeze, brightness, color temperature, and gamut adjustments, preset switching, and thermal composition settings, all from one centralized control interface. WebP software defines how large-scale screens are managed, making screen control more efficient, ensures a more stable front-end display, and contributing to the success of every show. Don't wait. Integrate with Coax Controller, experience WebP software, and begin your journey towards seamless, efficient LED display management today.